All right, we're going to take a look at assignment 8.09, The Crucible, Act 4 Character Evolution. This is the last regular assignment for Module 8 as well as for your course, other than your final exams. So if you are here, congratulate yourself. You're finishing the last module, moving on to your two-part final exam, and going to be finished, hopefully with successfully with English 3. All right, so we are continuing with the Crucible here. Again, you have access to um, that and at the very beginning of Module 8 if you need to refer back to the script. All right, so for 8.09, what you are going to do is you are going to view this clip of John Proctor's Leave Me My Name scene. All right. And then what you are going to do is, and the instructions are 2 to 3 pages in MLA format, explain Proctor's prior characterization and purpose of the change in Proctor's character. All right. So we're going to consider his emotions, his internal conflicts, and his relationship with Elizabeth, his wife. Okay. So let's think about this again. All right. So 2 to 3 pages MLA format. So that's going to require, some body paragraphs there with evidence from the text, and you need to use MLA format for that. Okay. Um, MLA format, I would go to the Purdue OWL website, and if you just Google Purdue OWL Writing Lab, and that's OWL, OWL. My West Virginia twang might be hard to decipher there. So Purdue OWL Writing Lab or Writing Center, and if you Google that, um, they will give you examples, what MLA format's supposed to look like. Um, so that is a great source. English, we always ask you to do stuff in MLA format, but it also has like APA and Chicago style and all the other different formats. So it's a great resource for any class that you have to write any kind of paper for. Okay. So you can just type it in here in the comment section, or you can answer it on a Google Doc or Microsoft Word, whatever you choose. All right. Um, so you're going to watch this scene. And again, 2, 3 pages, you're going to explain Proctor's prior characterization. So, how Proctor was in the beginning of the play. All right. And the purpose of the change in Proctor's character. So, you're talking about his change and the purpose of the change. So, you want to think about his emotions, internal conflicts, the problems he's had that he's struggled with within himself. All right. And then his relationship with Elizabeth, his wife. We know he's had an affair. All right. So, again, watch this clip and then respond to it. Make sure that you are giving exact pieces of support from the text. All right, you always need evidence. So give your claim and then give your evidence.